Hello guys, I want to give quick update regarding trading, of course, my copy trading. If you are not there, please join, because I'm going to show you immediately what are my stats about. If you don't trust me, please, of course, I'm updating the screen. It's right here and it's public, and in the comments you can see what is this about. So far I'm going for the 100% win rate streak, and here all my positions are closed in the profits, but only one, it has the small slippage. I'm going to show you first things first, trade history, no, P&L. We're looking for P&L closed positions. All positions are green, as you can see, but the order where I have a loss, it's with some little slippage, is this. I guess you can say, okay, dude, that's not a big deal. And yeah, so far I have one position open in the negative, but this is the part of the plan, because as you can see before, I have, yeah, you see, that's what I had in my plan, and I'm just following the plan. That's easy trade, and I'm expecting this thing to dump to get this order and maybe even lower where I'm expecting it to get taken. By the way, if you are not in my ultimately VIP Telegram group, please join there, because we will be able to talk like 24/7, only when I'm not sleeping, but I'm almost not sleeping during especially these days. And if you're willing to learn something about market making and stuff, please join. And let's go with updates, guys. I have everything written already before, because I did first video in Russian, and here I want to show you something special. That was my part of the plan. So price will go there and touch here. Look how touched it. Wow, I predicted this these days. And right now I'm expecting the price to take the liquidity from here to fill up this imbalance, and this is where I'm expecting the reaction from. So it's basically something about 110, 111. On Ethereum side, my plan, this is the short we took on a live stream, and now I'm expecting to get my orders filled right here, because I'm not even touching anything, because I see all this liquidity, all these guys are longing like crazy, and they are not willing to take their money. So market maker will do that, and it will flush to that place. I would expect it would do that. If not, I'm not touching it. If it goes there, I'm buying, because I will definitely see some reaction from here. 10%, I'll take it. X100, 1000% for whoever does that. I'm trading spot and X2. I'm not some crazy person. This is the SUI. Levels for SUI are giving in my Telegram. Feel free to follow that. I started buying right now 350, and from here my purchases will go till 280. Actually, I have it till 280. It's a bit below. That was part of my plan. Yeah, right here. This is the places where I will be buying. I will be multiplying and making my orders bigger and bigger the lower it goes. Chainlink, it did exactly what we expected, and right now the first reaction where we want to trade from, maybe this box, but I won't touch it in this box. This is the proper box to buy from, because here definitely you will see some reaction. You can see in fixed range volume profile, this is where POC is, point of control. Biggest money were stuck here, and here you will get some defense, especially if it wants to just flush it here and go further. Solana, the least likely setup, but it's safe to trade from here only, because we know that Bitcoin is taking a little bit of bidding, and so we want to trade something from here where all this liquidity from this range will be taken. But I would assume that the ultimate price will be this, and I will skip, because I'm not interested in any moves like that. So since I trade only zero leverage, I mean 1 or X2 at maximum, I'm not interested in those 24%, which have a lot higher risk than this setup. If we go this way, look at that. This is almost 100% setup for the reversal higher, but from here to here, it's going to be 60% of profits, or whatever I get bought from here. Fart coin. Of course, it's a coin about fart. Guys, look how many bottoms you can see here that are not taken. This is the perfect setup for that. And if you buy properly everything, you might be able to take, I don't know, whatever retracement it will do, but at least 40%. This is where price will retrace from the big dump, if we see one. PEPE, I'm not touching that coin, because the thing is, guys, all this liquidity might trigger the cascade. For this will trigger cascade of that, will trigger cascade of that. So This is the possible levels to buy from, but you can see it's pretty wide, right? It's 46 and 75. I would skip the same way as I would skip DOGE. DOGE is also kind of dodgy. You can see here exactly the same thing with all this liquidity. What I was expecting before, that we will dump from here and buy, that would work, but in this case from here we need to expect 40% dump. What? I don't believe this setup. I don't want to touch it. I'm just showing you because I know a lot of people are searching for this. Cardano did finally this Bart Simpson pattern. We were expecting for this pattern from here, so July 17th or maybe even a bit earlier when I was streaming that. What are my expectations? Price goes here. I'm starting buying here, so 82 cents are my first purchase up until the lowest box here, and I'm doubling each position. I'm starting very small, and whatever getting picked up and on the first retracement here, I'm just taking my money, and it might be 25% like overnight. XRP, everyone is searching for the coin that is dying against BTC. You can check if you bought like 5 years ago, no, even 8 years ago, if you bought back 10 Bitcoins worth of XRP, today it would be with the same price, it would be only 1 Bitcoin because it lost 90% of the value after all this pump. So if you compare, if you don't trust me, please, XRP BTC, and look at that, guys. This is the value of your coin. So you bought it here, right? For example, oh my God, yeah. And now you're in a break even in dollars, but this is in fact what you can see after the pump. Before that, it was almost dead. Sketchy. Cardano, we explained, Doge explained. Yeah, guys, I hope I helped you, and let me show you something special. Okay, these are all these things that are where I'm trading at. I have Maxi, I have Bybit copy trading. If you don't know how to execute, please follow me there. If you want to talk to me and discuss market making and all that stuff, I'm an institutional trader. I know how markets are moving. So please join my Telegram group, or free or paid. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you very much. Have a fantastic trading. Bye-bye.